Hello and welcome to my 11 plus maths problem solving session. Let's work out the answers together. Um, so I just selected my pen. So here we are. The question here is, it's a big question. So they have given us a bus timetable. The bus goes from St. Albans railway station to Heathrow Airport, and then it starts from Heathrow Airport and comes back to St. Albans railway station. So in between it stops at all these places they have given us. So St. Albans railway station, St. Albans, St. Peter Street, Garston bus garage, Watford Junction railway station, Watford Town Hall, Rickmansworth railway station, Denham Station Parade, Uxbridge, Belmont Road, and Heathrow Airport. So all these railway stations, these are the times. They've also said to us that there is Hertfordshire school day and Hertfordshire school holidays only. So HSCH, this is the school day, HNSCH is a school holiday. So that is some information. Let's move on to the question. So the first question is, Andy caught a bus at Denham at 6:39 a.m. So where is Denham? Denham is here. And there are two Denhams. One is going towards Denham and one is coming from Denham. So which Denham do they mean? What time does he arrive at Watford Junction railway station? So we have to look at the timetable that's going from Denham to Watford Junction. So you have to from Denham. So the bus that starts from Heathrow Airport is going to, he takes the bus at 6:39, so which is this bus. So he took this bus and then he will arrive at Watford Junction railway station. So Watford Junction, if he takes 6:39 bus, he will arrive at 7:12. So he will arrive at, so our answer is 7:12. Then the next question is, so that's done. Now we will do this one. Ben wants to travel from Watford Town Hall to Uxbridge by bus. From Watford, now remember this from and to, these two words, because they tell you where to start from. So you have to, Watford Town Hall is, so he wants to go to Watford Town Hall. So we don't have a Watford Town Hall. We have a Watford Junction. Oh, we have Watford Town Hall. Sorry, my mistake. Watford Town Hall to Uxbridge by bus. So he is going from Watford Town Hall. He is going to Uxbridge. Is there only one Uxbridge? Yes, there is only one Uxbridge, the Uxbridge Belmont Road. So he is going from Watford Town Hall to Uxbridge Belmont Road by bus. So if he catches the bus at Watford Town Hall at 8:57, so he takes this bus 8:57. How long will his journey take? So 9:36. So 8:57 to 9:36. How long is that? So if it is 8:57 to 9:36, so we have to subtract 9, or how many? 36, and we have to, how much is 8:57? So we have to do, this is quite easy. So from 8:57 to, it is 3 minutes 3 minutes is 9, and then 9 to 9:36 is 36 minutes. So it will be 3 minutes plus 36 minutes, which is 39 minutes. Yes, 8:57 to 9 is 3 minutes, and then from 9 to 9:36 is 36 minutes. So our answer will be 39 minutes. Okay, and we will erase this part, make it look cleaner. So 39 minutes we can write here. 39 minutes. The next question is, okay, Charlie lives in Uxbridge and works 10 minutes away from Garston Bus Garage. He needs to arrive at work by 9:30 a.m. What time does he need to be at the bus stop in Uxbridge to get to work on time if it's a Hertfordshire school day, if it's Hertfordshire school holiday? So he lives in Uxbridge. So he is in Uxbridge and he has to go to Garston Bus Garage. So he lives in Uxbridge. So it's here. He lives in Uxbridge. And let me use a different colored pen so it makes things clearer, as it could be confusing. So he lives in Uxbridge and he has to go to Garston Bus Garage. And he has to reach Garston Bus Garage by 9:30 a.m. but he has to walk 10 minutes. So he has to be there by 9:20 a.m. So this, what is the latest time? It can't be 9:29. No, this is not the late time. He has to be there by this time, 8:33 on a school holiday, 8:23 on a school day. The reason is he has to walk 10 minutes, walk for 10 minutes from the Garston Bus Garage. So if he arrives at 8:33, he will reach at 8:43, which is before 9:30. But if he arrives at 9:29, then he will be late for work. So he is quite early for work, but anyway, that's the way. If he is taking a bus, he'd have to go with the bus times. So this is what happens to him. So 8:33 and then 7:27 and this is 7:17. So these are our answers. This is the answer. So the answer is what time does he need to be at the bus stop in Uxbridge to get to work on time? If it's a Hertfordshire school day, he should be there at 7:17. 7:17, and if it's a Hertfordshire school holiday, he should be there at 7:27. 7:27. So that's this. The next one is a bit long, so I think I'm going to erase these marks so we can see what we are doing better, and I will use another pen, whatever color, back to blue. So then Tom lives in Rickmansworth and is planning to go. Tom has arranged to meet Nick at St. Peter's Street in St. Albans at 8:30. Tom lives in Rickmansworth and is planning to travel by bus. Tom thinks that it is a Hertfordshire school holiday and arrives at the bus stop at Rickmansworth just in time to catch the bus. Unfortunately, it is a Hertfordshire school day. How late does Tom arrive for his meeting with Nick? So he has to meet Nick at St. Peter's Street in St. Albans at 8:30. So St. Peter's Street in St. Albans. He has to go here. And he lives in Rickmansworth. Rickmansworth. So he has to go to here, Rickmansworth. That is the journey. Rickmansworth railway station to St. Albans, St. Peter's Street is his journey. Then the question is, 8:30. He has to reach there at, the meeting is at 8:30. So 8:30 means he cannot. So this is. So he thinks it's now this is an important part here. Tom thinks it is a Hertfordshire school holiday and arrives at the bus stop just in time to catch the bus. So he thinks it's a school holiday, so he can, if it's a school holiday and if he has to reach at 8:30, then he'll take the 6:55 bus. So this is the bus, and if it's a school day, it's the 6:50 bus or the 7:43 bus. So there are two options if it's a school day. But no, 7:43 is not really an option because then he will reach at 8:50, which is then he is late. Now that's probably what the question is asking us to do. That he thinks it's a school holiday, so he comes at 6:55. So I think he comes here at 7:53 is the next one. If you just go through the time, so he thinks it's a school holiday. If it's a school day, it's a school holiday. So he came at 6:50. He thought, what did he think? He thought it's a school holiday and he came just in time to catch the bus. So he thought it's a school holiday. I think whichever way we look at it, the bus Tom took. So we have to find out which bus Tom takes. So I think the bus Tom takes is 7:43. And so he arrives at 8:50. And so he's 20 minutes late. If you do not agree, please leave a comment and we will look at it again. But I think this is the answer. He takes this bus because it is a Hertfordshire school day. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you again. Talk again. Bye.